Hello friends, this is Ankit Viskarma and I am Krishnakant Prajapati. Okay, so we are here for testing our RC Aero model plane at ground. So as you all know, this is my plane. This is propeller, motor, LiPo battery, ESC, built-in ESC. This is receiver, and these are the servos. So this is aileron, elevator, rudder. Now I show you the controls surfaces working. Okay, so first check for ailerons, are they working? Okay, so now check for elevator, it's working. Now again checking for rudder, working. Left right. Now check for throttle. So all are working fine. You can reach it. So we are giving a thrust and we make it fly. Oh, okay.